Shape deposition manufacturing, rapid prototyping methods, stereolithography, 3D printing, selective laser sintering, fused deposition manufacturing, selective curing bonding, sintering or deposition in layer. Limitations of common rapid prototyping methods: material variation, functionality of product, fabrication tolerance, require special equipment. Remember, selective curing, bonding, sintering or deposition in layers. SDM, advantage over common rapid prototyping methods: limited material variation, wide variation of material, non-functional product, functional product. Limitation, fabrication tolerance comparable to conventional machining. Required special equipment, conventional machining tools are used. Can embed part, sensor, actuator and reinforcement. Introduction: shape deposition manufacturing is a process that incrementally build up complex parts by systematically combining material additive process with material removal process. The advantage of each type of process are thus combined such that novel structure can be fabricated with SDM that could not be practically fabricated with either material additive or material removal process alone. Shape deposition manufacturing cycle of material deposition and removal, complex 3D geometry and multi material. Part support: deposit part, shape and repeat. Automatic tool charger, extruder, embedded component in mid process, critical geometry properties. Part support, embedded component, deposit part, shape, embed, deposit, shape. Spring loaded hinge with partially embedded coil spring and fiber reinforced flexure. What material does SDM use? SDM can be used with any castable material, especially plastic, metal, resin, polymer, and ceramics. Heterogeneous structure by multi material. CNC machining, shape, multi material, deposit, em- embed. Process: the first step is the CAD part design that converted into an STL file. A slicing software is then adapted for obtaining the deposition path. CAM software must be used for instructing the milling trajectories. Specific knowledge must be developed to manage the alternate sequence of deposition and milling depending on the required application and features. Commercial and freeware slicer developed for polymer FDM together with machine is specific post processor software have been adopted to generate the ISO G code required by the hybrid machine. Advantage of SDM: ability to ability to embed objects, possible to manufacture irregular shapes, multi material structures, wide range of material to choose from, accurate to within 5 micron, provide quality surface finish achieved with the CNC milling machine. Disadvantage of SDM: relatively expensive compared to other rapid prototyping process. Also, the process is relatively time consuming. The machine is not widely available. Prototype is weaker than the final product due to the internal stress from the layering process.